In our next chapter, we shall learn about preposition. Before going to the chapter, you shall look at our videos on noun and pronoun. Now let us begin. Let us read the sentences. The book is on the desk. Number 2. The book is under the desk. 3. The book is near the desk. The book is in the desk. The book is beside the desk. The book is above the desk. The book is below the desk. Now, the 7 sentences contain words that show the relation between book and the desk. Such words are called preposition. The noun or pronoun that follows a preposition is said to be governed by the preposition, expressing a relation to another word or element. Now let us examine the sentences. He lives near us. He came with me. The letter is from him. I do not believe in him. There is a wall around it. The words which are underlined for you are the preposition. In these sentences, you can see the preposition used with pronoun. So we can summarize. A preposition is a word placed before a noun or pronoun that shows relationship with person or a thing. Now let us pick out preposition in the following sentences. I am afraid of your dog. When will you arrive in Denmark? He was among the crowd. Don't sit on the chair. I don't know anything about it. Here is the list of preposition. You can have a look at the words. Thanks for watching the video. Like, share and subscribe.